Hi everyone, just another update on the layout progress. I'll just start with the control panel. As you can see, there's a whole bunch more wires appeared on the back of the panel. I'm nearly finished. I think I've got about three or four additional LEDs to wire up, and that's finished. So hopefully maybe one more night and we'll be done with that, and then we can put it back on. I've also been adding the additional point motors, so we're all the way around to over there now with the point motors. So that's the whole of the GCR section fitted now with point motors. So that's pretty good. Just something else I've been working on. I've removed the temporary back scene panel, the wooden piece that was running along the back. That was only ever there to mark the end of the lower section effectively, and where the back section would start. So now I'm putting in the permanent sort of retaining wall section. So over there we have the tunnels, or the tunnel mouth rather, where the Great Western lines disappear under the coal mine, and then in the far corner where the soldering iron and the glue is, that's going to be just rough ground, waste ground, that kind of stuff. So the retaining wall comes around here. There's a small gap where the GCR bridge goes through, and that's just a continuation of the road then. And the upper level goes across the top of that area where we have the walling, so that effectively forms a lid over there. So if we just move down, I've got to add a whole bunch more walling, so you can see it stops about there. So I've got to get another 4 packets, or 4 kits, and that will get me all the way down to this part here. I've got a sloped wall kit that goes at the back there, so when I put the incline in, that starts from over here. The incline comes up. If you can imagine, the incline at the back there is another additional line. The sloped wall kit kind of goes along there as well. So that's all I've really been up to. These point motors are incredibly fiddly to fit. Anyone that's fitted point motors on their own before, well, I think hopefully sympathise with how fiddly they actually are to get in. But they're done all the way through that section now. So the next thing for me to do is to just finish off that control panel, just add the additional LEDs. Then I can fit the control panel back to the gap that you see there. That's where the control panel goes. And I can put the CDU in and wire up the boards, the point control board there. So the way I've laid this out is all these chock blocks there then just go off to the individual components. So nothing is wired directly to the switches from a point motor. They go through these chock blocks, so that allows me to take that back off again should I need to. So yeah, not a massive amount of action really. Putting those kits together was quite fun though. So I'll just get a bunch more of those and complete those, and then I can crack on with the top section. So we've got to get surface mount point motors for in here, that side. So I need 4 of them just there, and then another 4 just down here. And as you can see, things have been kind of spread around over the track. I haven't actually run a train for about 2 weeks now, but that's kind of okay because I want to get this top stuff done before I run more trains. So I'm off to Whalley in a couple of weeks' time, so I'll be looking for some ballast and some risers and scenery bits and bobs. So hopefully I'll be able to pick up some additional stuff there. So that's pretty much it for me for now. I shall carry on working on the layout. Bye for now.